Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at Scosche's MagicMount. This is the phone stand from MagSafe charger. So basically you put the MagSafe charger puck right here, the cable goes through that slot right there, goes through the back, and then underneath and then out to the charger. We showcased the new Scosche 20 watt USB-C power delivery charger in an earlier video. Should check that out, and that is compatible with this dock. They're the #1 phone mount brand in the US and Canada, so that's cool for Scosche. You can have your phone landscape or portrait mode because it is magnetic. Here's some details that you can pause the video and read later, or you can take a look at the description below in the video. So here, as you can see, it's mounted vertically, and then here, as you can see, it's mounted horizontally. So that's cool. You can have it in two orientations here, and this is from Scosche, the #1 mount brand in the US and Canada. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.